Nature is the source of life, the beauty and the wonder, the mountains and the valleys, the rain and the thunder. Nature is the gift of God, the bounty and the grace, the flowers and the fruits, the sun and the moon. Nature is the teacher of wisdom, the lesson and the guide, the seasons and the cycles, the balance and the harmony. Nature is the friend of joy, the comfort and the peace, the birds and the animals, the music and the silence. Nature is the treasure of love, the splendor and the glory, the colors and the shapes, the art and the poetry.